Today is the day we turn the Discover 220 into holiday magic. And guess what? You could win $5,000 in holiday cash prize just for joining the fun. So let's go make some mistletoe magic.
Sibling Showdown is brought to you by Valley Security and Alarm. We'll focus on the security systems of your premises so you can have peace of mind. And this episode is sponsored by Designer Flower Center.
I noticed something when I pulled up that I believe is somebody playing a prank on me. There is Batman on it, so clearly this was Ryan trying to, throw me off my game. This is not going to be here at the grand finale. It seems like he left me a letter, a season's greetings, early forecast, snow globe domination. Heard today was your big install day, so naturally thought I'd help. You're welcome for the tasteful, totally on-brand Batman decor. Don't worry, I made sure it clashes with everything. Your favorite brother. He thinks he's my favorite brother. That's funny too. This has got to go. So we are going to take this down. It's Magic Mistletoe, Team Ashley, Designer Flower Center, and Poverello House that are taking the win this time. We are decorating the Discover 220, and this floor plan is truly the entertainer's dream. It is welcome to the wow if you had to describe it by any way, and it is the perfect home if you love to host and gather with your family. And it also is the two-story home that lives like the single-story home. So if you're looking for a spacious single-story home, but you need 4 bedrooms, then this home is amazing. It offers the primary bedroom and 1 other bedroom downstairs, and upstairs there are 2 other bedrooms with the opportunity to also do our loft personal selection. So that would make it a 4-bedroom home with a loft upstairs too. I'm here with Lisa with Designer Flower Center.
Yes, hi everybody.
We're back and we're about to deck the halls.
Deck the halls and just make everything look beautiful. We're excited.
It is looking like a winner. We're decking out the Discover 220 model home. It's right here. You can come see it right now at Armstrong and Clinton in Fresno. And I guess we should give them a little sneak peek.
Just a little.
Just a little.
Just a little.
Okay, let's tour you around.
Okay.
We're shaking things up this holiday season, and in the true giving spirit, giving back to the community that supported our family. So thank you to United Security Bank, our holiday cash prize sponsor. We are offering $5,000. So in order to enter to win for that holiday cash prize, you need to visit our website, deyoungproperties.com, for your chance to win. And of course, join us on Saturday, December 6th for our grand finale event located here at our model homes. And if you vote in person at the grand finale, you'll have 50 entries. So you'll have a higher likelihood of winning that $5,000. I love how you talked about different colors of red. So you've got bright red, a darker red, different textures on the ribbon.
Oh yeah, and like a velvet and a matte sheen to something that is a little more shimmery and glittery.
Yeah.
I love mixing it, and that also gives a lot of depth to a tree.
Talk to us about the garland.
There's been a lot of improvement in technology of these pines. This is our natural touch, and it just drapes so gracefully.
Yes.
And I just think it has a beautiful feel. And because it's so nice and realistic, there's a trend right now of just letting it
just be.
And this is a nice place for your eyes to rest. There's something here that's very decorative.
Yeah, busier.
And then this is just a nice accent. And yet we coordinated the ribbons that are on the candlesticks with what's on the tree.
Yes.
And so it, as a whole package, it just all blends. It looks really nice.
Exactly. I love it. And we're going to add some stockings there that, of course, are going to say Team Ashley.
Yes.
Because we are winning. Lisa found a way to make it a spinning mistletoe.
Yes.
We gotta see it. We gotta see it from the other side. So you gotta see it from this side too.
I mean, this is our theme, so it needs to be featured right in the middle. It says, "Look at me."
How did you install the Magic Mistletoe Arbor?
There is a tension rod, so there's nothing put into the nails, and there's a tension rod, and we actually have 2 garlands, one to hang from the front, and then one to hide the mechanics on the back.
Wow.
And again, We just love these long tails and a red velvet bow, red berries, and it just is such a classic beauty.
It is so cute. I really like it. Our home is supporting Poverello House, and so we had the idea to, if you bring a canned food item, then you can write your name on a paper that has mistletoe on it and add it to the ribbon wall. And tell us about where this ribbon idea came up.
This is so wonderful. Your mom, Paula DeYoung, we decorated her house for Christmas, and we collaborated and came up with the ribbon wall.
Yeah.
And I actually use it in my home. And you're going to use it in your home,
I
right?
am. Yeah.
Because it is a great way for Christmas cards.
Yeah.
And it looks so nice. And then
once it's filled up.
And then also, you get, instead of your cards being flat and you don't really get to see them.
Yeah.
You have this beautiful mural of all the Christmas cards.
Exactly.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I love it. So yeah, we're gonna fill this wall with mistletoe. So even now, come tour. You don't have to wait until December 6th. You could come tour the home now, and you could bring a canned food item and write your name on the mistletoe. So before the grand opening even happens, we'll probably already have a lot of mistletoe on here.
Yes.
Because we know our community is so good at giving back, and we just want to continue with that spirit.
I love that. That makes me feel really good.
Yeah, me too. The heart of the showdown is sponsored by EECU. Thanks to them, we are able to give back this holiday season with their $5,000 donation. So if Team Ashley wins, which I know it will. You guys are going to vote for me, right? We will be able to give Poverello House $3,000, and the other siblings charities will still get meaningful donations too. Come join us at the grand finale and vote for Team Ashley so we can all support Poverello House.
This showdown moment is brought to you by Landscape Connection.
So we just gave you a little sneak peek at what Team Ashley's Magic Mistletoe House has in store, but I'm not telling you all of my secrets. When you come here on December 6th during our grand finale event, I promise you there's going to be some extra surprises that you are going to be very excited to hear. That's another little sneak peek. But we need to know what you are doing for the holidays this season. We want to hear from you. So I showed you the theme and the colors for our home. What do you and your family do in your home? What colors and what theme do you usually do to decorate your home for the holidays? Comment on our Facebook and Instagram and let us know.
Ryan and Preen are ready to install his home decor. Will his theme sparkle or cause a glitter overload? Tune in to find out. And ask us about our Sibling Showcase Savings event. The first buyer of a select move-in ready home receives $5,000 in extra savings. Hurry, limited time only. See our website for more details.